If you're not on TikTok, it's probably a good thing because it is kind of a scary app. It tracks all your actions and it knows exactly what you like. It'll try to sell you stuff, but it's also really fun. I just can't seem to put down my phone because I'm constantly looking at TikTok, and there's so many recipes on TikTok and I've actually never tried any of them. So that's what I'm going to do in the video today. I'm gonna try out some TikTok recipes that I've been seeing so much lately. We're gonna make 3 things: yogurt custard toast, the green goddess salad, and crab rangoon. So I don't really know who the original creator of this yogurt toast is. I just started seeing it a bunch on my For You page and it looked pretty good. It's a yogurt custard thing sitting on top of a piece of toast. Seems pretty easy to make and it sounds like a great breakfast. Ingredients are super simple. Some Greek yogurt and toast of your choice. I'm using challah, an egg, and some sweetener and any fruit you want. To make the custard in a container, combine 1 egg with about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and optionally some orange zest or lemon zest, and finally about 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Mix that up and you'll get this beautiful looking light yellow yogurt custard. I think a bread that's sweet and soft like challah or brioche will work best for this recipe. I've seen people make it with sourdough toast, but I just feel like it'll be a little too dry and hard. But anyway, you want to create a well in the center of the bread and spoon the custard over it, and then just top it with your favorite fruit. But hey, be creative, top it with whatever you want. This is basically a French toast. Chocolate chips will be great too. To give it some texture, I'm gonna finish it off with some terminato sugar. I like how crunchy and sugary they are. And all you gotta do is either air fry them or bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 until the custard is set and the top is golden browned. Alright, here it is. This is the yogurt custard toast.
Ooh.
I'm a little skeptical about this because it does sound kind of weird, right? Putting yogurt on toast and then heating it up. Alright, let's try it.
Pretty good.
It's really crunchy.
You know, I think one thing that this would go well with is some maple syrup or log cabin syrup.
Oh yeah, I kind of agree because it's a little dry, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a great alternative to French toast, but it is kind of dry. So put some maple syrup on it, and you'll be good to go. I give this like a 6 out of 10. This is just alright. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it just needs maple. I think I'm gonna go get some maple syrup right now. There we go.
Yeah, well, that's a lot. You're covering the whole thing. Oh my god. That's so much maple syrup. Oh my god.
It's not bad.
Is it much better?
Now it's basically French toast, which gets a thumbs up from me. Give it 9 out of 10.
With the syrup? Yeah, 9 out of 10 with the syrup, but 6 out of 10 without syrup. The Green Goddess Salad by Baked by Melissa. I've been seeing this so much, even Lizzo made it. It's probably just as viral as the salmon rice that came out a little earlier than this. It's basically a chopped salad tossed in a vegan spinach pesto, then you eat it with tortilla chips like guacamole. So according to the creator, you can improvise and substitute some of the ingredients with whatever you have or see fit, which I really like because I'm one of those people that never follows a recipe. That being said, I did not follow the original recipe, but I will put it down below in the description box. For the base of the salad, I'm using 1 medium-sized Persian cucumber. Just gonna chop that into small pieces, and you do that by slicing the cucumber into thin slices and cut the slices into strips, and from there you could cut them into little cubes. I'm also gonna chop up some green onion as well as 1/4 of a cabbage. Same deal here, you want to cut the cabbage into small pieces, and I think the easiest way to do this is to cut it like you would an onion. You get the idea. And for the green goddess dressing, not gonna lie, it's kind of a lot of ingredients, but once again you can improvise with whatever you have and it'll still be delicious. The key here is to season it boldly. In a blender or food processor, combine juice of 1 lemon, a few splashes of rice vinegar, 1 small shallot, 3 cloves of garlic, half an avocado, about 1/3 of a cup of toasted walnuts, half a cup of cilantro, a big handful of spinach, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, season it with some salt and pepper, a tablespoon of soy, and some chili flakes. Some people use jalapeno, which I think is also great, and finally a tablespoon of almond butter. See, I wasn't lying when I said it's a lot of ingredients. Pop the lid on and blend it until it is super smooth. I see a lot of people on TikTok say that this is a very bland salad, and I really think it's because they under-season the dressing, but hey, what do I know? Everybody has different taste. The thing is, both cabbage and cucumber have a lot of moisture in them, so they would dilute the dressing down, so I say put a little more salt than you normally would. Once again, season boldly. Finally, to serve the salad, you just need some tortilla chips, just like guacamole. Alright, so here's the green goddess salad baked by Melissa. It's basically a chopped salad mixed with a vegan pesto.
Alright, so I just dip it in here?
Yeah, you just dip it like you're eating guacamole.
Yeah, it looks like guacamole. It's kind of like a cross between salsa and guacamole. Oh, pretty good.
They're really good.
How's that fresh lettuce texture?
Super flavorful. I'm really surprised. I think the key to this salad is nutritional yeast. The original creator said that you could kind of improvise with whatever you have, but I think that's something that you don't want to skip. I didn't have nutritional yeast, and I'm glad I bought it for this because it adds a ton of flavor. It's an easy way to eat a bunch of vegetables at the same time because there's cucumber, cabbage, and spinach. And this is great for like a party. It's great for your vegan friends or dairy-free friends. You got all the textures. You have crunchy, you have creamy. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 for this one. This one definitely live up to the hype. It's really good. I'll be making this again for sure. And also I think Whole Foods needs to start selling this because it's vegan friendly and it's gluten free, so it might sell really well.
I give it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Why?
I can't just give everything a 10 out of 10. What kind of rating system would that be?
Why am I giving everything 10 out of 10? But yeah, I really like this. This is great. The last food we're going to test out today is the classic American Chinese takeout food, crab rangoon, which has been around way before TikTok was even a thing, but for some reason it's been trending lately. Also, I've never had it before, so hey, we're making it because I want to eat it. To start, we'll need 1 pack that's 8 ounces of cream cheese and about 6 ounces of imitation crab. You can also be bougie and use the real stuff, but I do think using fake crab works better with cream cheese. You want to chop the imitation crab into small pieces, or you can shred it up with a fork. Dump that into a bowl with the cream cheese, then add some scallions and minced garlic. Now to the mixture, add a few dashes of cayenne pepper, a few shakes of white pepper, some Worcestershire, a little bit of soy sauce, and sesame oil. Combine everything with a spatula, and that is the filling. Pretty damn easy, right? I can see why this is such a popular dish. I mean, who doesn't like a deep fried wonton that's stuffed with cream cheese? And speaking of wonton, you want to take a piece of the wrapper and brush the edges with some water. This is to help the wrapper seal, and put about 1.5 teaspoons of filling in the center and bring the two pointy edges together, pinch them together, then seal the remaining 2 edges to the center like so. And that's how you get that super cute and neat pyramid shape. Do that with the rest of the wonton wrappers until you run out of filling. This recipe will make about 28 crab rangoons. The traditional way, of course, is to deep fry them, but we live in the future now and we have this thing called the air fryer. If you're air frying them like I am, be sure to spray them with some oil so they get crispy. Then just turn the thing on and bake them until they're slightly browned. And if you can't finish them all at once, you just pop them in the freezer and save them for next time. To serve the crab rangoon, you can use Thai sweet chili sauce, which is what I have here. Someone also suggested sriracha mayo on my TikTok, but I guess sweet and sour sauce is the best. I don't know. What sauce do you use to go with crab rangoon? And there you have it, the classic American Chinese food. Like I said, I've never had these before, so I'm very excited to try them.
Time for the main course.
Alright, last one of the day.
Let's give it a try. Very creamy.
Yeah, the air fryer is just doing a really good job at making them really crispy. Yeah, these are really good. They're really creamy on the inside. Obviously, it doesn't taste like real crab because it's imitation crab, but it's kind of fishy. And the outside is nice and crispy. I really like them. Yeah, these are great appetizers. It takes a little while to wrap all of them, but overall, they're super easy to make. I'm gonna give these 8 out of 10. So, which one do you like the most of all the things that
you know, that we tried today? Which one is your favorite?
I was really pleasantly surprised with the healthiest one we had. I mean, taste-wise,
The
they're all
salad?
good, but yeah, that one was the healthiest, so I think that would get my
Same here, that one.
recommendation.
The green goddess salad is my favorite, and then the second one is this crab rangoon. And the last one is the yogurt toast, because it's dry. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Have you tried any of these? If you have, what do you think? Do you like any of them? And maybe we'll try more next time. We'll see you back in the kitchen next time.
See you later.